Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sharpen. So today I'll be designing party flyer again. So this is what we'll be designing today. Sorry, designing this, and I'm dropping the full PSD for you guys to use for your project. It's very simple and straightforward. So let's get right to it. So Control N on my keyboard for a new folder, then for a new file rather. Then I use the 100 by 1350 size. So before you design any flyer, you must actually know what you want to do. So I wanted it to have a party kind of feel, a beach kind of feel, not necessarily having all these aesthetics, but just the beach feel itself. So first thing I did was to bring in my background here, my background right here, and I added this to it. Because it was looking too though, I wanted to have more life, so I brought this in. Sorry, just see. V to add more life, more like a water kind of feel. So I brought this in. Then you can see in my design also this text. So you can even have this text first. It's not an issue. You have this text first. You can play around text if you want to play around it. Let me explain this text to you. So you can see I used the Kenyan coffee board for this. And I added the outer glow, blend mode screen, opacity 100, the color code 685DCF, then spread 0, size 24, range 50, then drop shadow 79, distance 46, size spread is 4, size is 68, noise is 0 for this. You can see that this is overlapping this, so it's looking like it's radiating over it. So this text is also Kenya coffee, but I added a lighter outer glue to it to make it have more creative feel. So let me break down this image, how I got this image to you. So you can have something like this. Control T. This is a PNG file. This is a PNG file. I got online, it's a PNG file. So PNG file. As you can see in my videos, I use flare a lot. So this was gotten online PNG. I added motion blur to it. So if you want to get this, you come to your filter, blur, motion blur. You can see it's looking much more intense. This is motion blur. Then I added my overlay to like a glow overlay. And I change the blend mode to screen. You can change to linear.art to make it much more popped. Then I added my lady image here. Lady image. I brought a lady image like this. You can have something like this. I'm sorry. You can have something like this. You can even bring this up like this a bit. It's very simple and straightforward. You can bring in your text. You can now add. Okay, I think I didn't add. Okay, I did an adjustment layer to it. Here's what I did here. This is the cube also, but you can even add 3 stripes to it. 3 stripes will make it much more deep. Something like this. This is 3 stripes adjustment layer. My favorite actually. So you can use this for your project, for your designs and everything. To make your design go well. If you have projects, you can just download, modify, and add and edit. So you can also subscribe and see how I've gotten my other stuff. So if you want me to create a Telegram channel for you guys that I can be dropping another premium files, where we can hang out, so where we can actually have art to art, and also you can make your requests. If you make a request on my channel on Telegram, I would respond and create a design to suit that effect. So just let me know if you want church design, party flyer designs. I can work on that for you. I can create it my own way then, or put it on my channel. So that will be the benefit of my Telegram page, you make requests. I'll drop PSD files there. I'll drop links on the page. So please do well to subscribe and watch my other videos. Thank you very much.